Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of December 7th in my Medium Vertical or Recollections Planner. And this is a kit by Dash of Sun Designs. I will have all of these shops mentioned linked down below for your convenience. But if you'd like to see how I pre-plan out my week, because the first thing I do is, lay down my week with what I think I know is going to be happening, what I'm anticipating, and this is what you're seeing right now, then I'll have that link down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can check it out if you want to see how we got to this point. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and go in here day by day and just put in like a little bit of memory keeping with, what happened and places I went, things I did. So first off, starting on Monday, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these scalloped corners from the kit and then a little set of dumbbells from Planner Pixie Co. Just to mark I did my little morning workout, since I've been doing better at sticking to my fitness routine that I've kind of got trying to build up and start doing. Then I'm going to take one of these little eighth boxes from the kit just to mark that. I was kind of behind on opening my advent calendars for the Give and Girl, so I opened up day 6 and 7 on Monday. And so I'm going to use a couple of transparent dots from the Give and Girl, as well as this little envelope from her as well, from one of her older shop kit sampler things, and one of her side bows as well. Seems appropriate, right? Because it's for her advent calendar, so might as well use all of her stickers. So I'm just going to layer those all together just to mark that I opened up a couple of days of my advent calendar on Monday. So I'm just going to fiddle around with the placement of the dots a little bit. This is why I like doing it on the backing of the sticker kit, because, it's kind of like removable sticker paper sort of. So we're going to do that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take one of these longer page flags in the kit and then layer that with a little running icon from Simply Watercolor Co. and a Take a Walk script by the Give and Girl, since I did go for a walk. On Monday, I'm trying to take a walk every single day, basically. Oh, and then I've got a little embellishment from Honey Inked, aka Planner Jewelry. I love that. One of my subscribers said that, so now that's my favorite thing to call it, Planner Jewelry. So yeah, here's the long page flag, and then I've been trying to go for a walk every single day. I want to do a walk 6 days a week, and then a hike on Sundays, because I love to get out in nature, and I haven't been on a hike in a really long time, and it's nice to be out in the woods or in the mountains or something. So that's what we're gonna work up to. But I'm still building the routine, adding in cardio and yoga, everything too. So I'm still working on it. We'll get there. But I didn't really have much else to mark, so I marked taking my walk on Monday. And then I'm gonna take a one of these smaller boxes from the Give and Girl. It's like a fun size box. I don't know what to call it. And a little gas station pump from Dash of Sun Designs, because we went to Sam's Club, which is a wholesale store. It's kind of like Costco. I don't know if you've ever... BJ's, is that another one? I think I've heard of that. Anyways, so they have cheaper gas because it's for members only. So it's really great though anyway, because with working from home and my son going to virtual distance learning full time, and then also my husband and I don't have our full-time jobs anymore because of COVID. We're saving a lot of money on gas, so that is a plus about staying at home more, I guess. And then for some more little embellishments, I'm just going to take one of these marker dividers from the Give and Girl and another embellishment from Honey Inked to fill in those little awkward spaces of white space. And for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote close rings, because it is very hard for me to close my rings, particularly my Move ring on my Apple Watch. And I've actually noticed a trend where if I just do a workout, it's not enough to close the ring. If I just do a walk, it's not enough to close the ring. But I am pretty much almost guaranteed if I do my morning workout or afternoon workout and I take a walk, I will close my rings. As long as I, make sure to stand and whatever. It will close my Move ring and exercise ring for sure. It'll double my exercise ring. So anyways, I was happy to, now I know that formula works, and I was happy to close my rings on Monday. For Tuesday, I'm going to take a like 8th box from the kit, and then this little package with hearts icon from Cozy Paper Co. That's a shop that I PR for, by the way. Coupon code down below. Just because we picked up a like food box from the Culinary Academy, I just put a little tiny bow from the Giving Girl over that as well. And yeah, so they ended up having like some extra food at the Culinary Academy that they were giving away to the community because they're closed right now, so they kind of have excess food. So we went and picked up a box, and that helped us out. Then I'm going to take a little page flag from the kit, and then the same icons from Monday for, you know, marking taking a walk again. Then I'm going to take a quarter box in the kit, and then this cute print and cut insert script from Artbox Stickers, because we got a new printer from my sister-in-law, which I'm so grateful for because it actually works amazingly well. Like, I've always had bad luck with printers and printing really crappy quality of stuff, but this one works amazing. So I was able to finally print some more of my inserts, which is great. And then I just went back to Monday to like kind of try to fix that word Sam's Club, because I don't know, I just didn't like the way I wrote it, and I still kind of don't, but oh well, what are you gonna do? Then for Tuesday, for gratitude, I wrote new printer, because again, I love it so much. It works great. Wednesday, I'm going to start with a half box, and then I'm going to layer some little transparent dots and a little cute bow tooth doodly icon from the Giving Girl, because my son lost a tooth. He actually lost 2 of them this week. He's like dropping teeth like a shark. So he lost one on Wednesday and he lost one on Sunday, but I kind of like just forgot to mark that he lost another tooth on Sunday. I might go maybe back in and put it in there. I don't know, because I don't really have room either, so I kind of don't know where it would go. Because if I put it in the bottom washi, it's going to cover that really pretty bow in the bottom washi on Sunday, so I don't want to do that. Anyways, maybe I'll put it in my December monthly, once I plan December monthly. But anyways, so I did that for her. He lost his tooth, and then also I'm going to use this pretty like leaf embellishment from Honey Inked, because, you know, I thought that the leaves were kind of fitting with all of the like leaves going on in the kit. So then I'm going to take a page flag from the kit, and then a dollar sign, like an older dollar sign icon from Dash of Sun, because my husband and I went to Dollar Tree on Wednesday because we wanted to get some little tiny ornaments and lights and stuff for my son. He's got like this like mini Christmas tree on his desk in his room, so we wanted to get him some things to decorate it with. Oh, and then I forgot that I ended up not uploading my 2021 setup. It will definitely be uploaded. Just it wasn't uploaded Wednesday, the 9th. Also, I don't think it's going to be uploaded next week either, because I'm finally going to get my December monthly kit as long as it's still delivered on time. So I'm going to do my December monthly, but I will still upload my 2021 setup. No worries. Just be patient. It'll come. Anyways, so I used a canceled script by the Giving Girl, and then this pretty little divider in between there from Simply Watercolor Co. So then back down to Dollar Tree, I'm just going to use a little dashed bow divider from Sadie Stickers and another embellishment from Honey Inked under the word Dollar Tree there to make it look cute. And for my Gratitude Wednesday, respectful, because I was proud of myself for being respectful and amicable and, you know, just the better person. When I posted well, no, I didn't post something. I commented on something on a Facebook group, and I got like mildly dogpiled by a bunch of biatches. So literally, I explained myself gracefully and kindly, and I wasn't trying to start drama or be rude at all. And it's like they were trying to jump on me for no reason at all. So, I mean, because I explained myself. So, and I had a good explanation for what I said, and I wasn't rude about it. I was very respectful to everybody that said anything rude to me. But, yeah, this shop owner's like fans or friends or customers, I don't know, they were just like jumping on me and were like pretty rude about it when I was like being respectful, and I just like stated an opinion, like, sorry you didn't agree with it. But yeah, I don't know, I was just like the better person because they were like just being so rude to me. Anyways, if you want to know more about that, leave me a comment and I will elaborate, but I've got to move on. So Thursday, I had a little Happy Meal arrive from some of my Black Friday orders that I wanted to share. So I did a little IG haul. So I used a cute little Instagram camera, bow icon, and a transparent dot from the Giving Girl. Then, sorry, this is kind of out of frame, but I was trying to do some layering with a Apple Watch icon by Crafts by Thaowie, because I closed my rings again on Thursday. So I just did that layering with some more dots from the Giving Girl. And I used a half box with some of the Honey Inked leaves just to mark that we had like a hot cocoa and movie night. So it was really nice. I used the Accio hot cocoa, which is a Inspire Ever After. Cute little script with the Coco icon there, Harry Potter, love it. And so that was my Thursday for my gratitude. I wrote close rings, because I'm always grateful when I close my rings. So I wrote close rings. Moving on to Friday, I'm going to go ahead and check off my bills that I paid, and then I'm going to use one of these little fun boxes again from the Giving Girl and a like open book icon from Planner Pixie Co. Because I did a lot of reading on Friday, like at work, because I work from home Friday and Saturday. And I'm just layering that with a few dots from the Giving Girl and a side book from the Giving Girl. So yeah, I do work from home on Friday and Saturday, and I just had some time, and I wanted to take some time to just read, while I wasn't working. I'm really trying to like buckle down and finish these books that I've just been like reloading over and over from Libby, library app. And I'm just like tired of reloading them over and over. I just want to like get it over with and finish reading them. And I don't mean get it over with like it's a boring book or anything. It's just, I'm just like annoyed, like stop reloading the book. Just read it, I just got to take the time to do it. So I took some time to do it on Friday. Then I'm going to take another 8th box from the kit and this like little sale tag from the Giving Girl and a bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. Because I went to Michael's after work on Friday because I had an online order that I needed to pick up in the store. So we picked up a few things from that order. And then on my gratitude for Friday, I wrote routine because I was nice. Like I've been trying to do this night routine now. I'm hoping it'll eventually make it easier for me to sleep because I've suffered from insomnia for a really long time. And I thought, well, maybe what if I like went like a full 2 hours with like no blue light? And so I've got this kind of routine where, because at first I was like, well, what am I going to do for 2 hours without my phone or the computer or TV or nothing? So it's like, and I can't read because I have only like books on my Libby app, so I don't have any like actual books to read. So I was like, well, what do I do? But anyways, I was grateful because I've been kind of establishing a routine. And it really hasn't helped me go to sleep yet, but hopefully if I stick to it, maybe it'll help. Then on to Saturday, I just checked off my checklist and used another Sadie Stickers divider, the little dash bow one. And then I'm going to use a scalloped corner from the kit. And then that little hot chocolate mug is from Wild Summer Designs. I just forgot to show these, sheet. And that's another shop that I PR for. The link is down below with the code. Because we did our famous little Grinch hot chocolate. Well, famous for, our family. And watched How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I wrote that in my half box there for our movie night. It's like one of my son's favorite traditions is to make a Grinch hot chocolate, which is just white hot chocolate with green food coloring added to it. But he loves it so much. I don't know why, but it makes me happy that he does. I just tried it one year because I found the idea on Pinterest and I was like, oh, that sounds fun. Sure, why not? And yeah, and it tastes good. Tastes like a white hot chocolate, like a white mocha or something. And he really likes it. I think he really loves that it's green and it tastes good. So we always make Grinch hot chocolate when we watch the Grinch. And my gratitude for Saturday was I closed my rings yet again. Yay. I think I did actually. Was it 3? Was it only 3 or was it 4? It probably was only 3 because I would have wrote it again if it was 4. So anyways, I was just happy that I managed to work out enough times that it closed my ring all 3 times. Moving on to Sunday, I did not have the space for a half box, but I really wanted to put in a half box. So I kind of like just cut up a half box to make it fit. So it's not really a half box anymore, but it's close. And I just checked off my checklist along with, a meal planned on Sunday, and we watched the Disney's A Christmas Carol. That's the one that's it's animated, and Jim Carrey is the Scrooge, but he also voices several characters in that movie, and he does an amazing job. So we had like a little Jim Carrey marathon there because we watched the Jim Carrey Grinch on Saturday, which is our favorite one. And then we watched the Christmas Carol on Sunday with, again, Jim Carrey. I just love Jim Carrey. So then we made some really delicious cookies. So I'm going to take a couple of the flags from the kit and layer that with these adorable little Christmas cookie doodles from Wild Summer Designs and a side bow. They are called Fairy Kisses, and I found the recipe on Pinterest. Just look it up and it'll come up. They're these weird looking cookies because you use like meringue on top and it makes this giant mound of meringue, but it's so freaking good. They were a huge success. I was worried about making them because, you know, we never tried them and it's a new recipe for us. But I want to do, you know, some my Christmas baking, and those are for sure a hit. They went fast. They went so fast, and everybody loved them. So my gratitude for Sunday was the fairy kisses for sure, because they were just that good. By the way, the reason that you see me with the Band-Aid on my hand is because y'all have been, if you haven't noticed, looking at my hand with this freaking ugly burn mark on it from when I burned my hand with the hot glue gun. Actually, it wasn't totally my fault. It was it was my son and I were using a hot glue gun, and he was just kind of like holding it a little bit carelessly, which I don't blame him. He's not like used to handling one, you know? And I was kind of like reaching out for something. And so I didn't know he had it like right there. And so my hand just like bonked right into it. Anyways, but the reason I put a Band-Aid on was because the scab came off. And I'm sorry, TMI if this is gross. I didn't want y'all to see it. I mean, it was like it didn't look like gross or nothing. It just looked like, you know, ew, like nobody wants to see your like burn. And it's like the scab is off, and just no. So yeah, I have a Band-Aid on my hand for that. Anyway, that is going to be it for this memory plan with me. So thank you so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because I super appreciate your support. It helps me out. Definitely subscribe if you are not already. So that way you don't miss any more of my videos. I've got a lot coming up because I've got to do my 2021 setup. I've got to do my December plan with me, and I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing all of the advent calendars I purchased this year, which is 4. So definitely subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have a question about where I got anything, or if you just want to say hi, because I will say hi back. I like to respond to all of my comments because I love to talk to you guys. So anyways, again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.